All right, we're back today. And get you up to speed on this Blazer. We are back today working on the K5 Blazer, and we are gonna get it in a state where we can take it to paint. Now, one of the issues I have with it is these wheel wells have been cut pretty significantly, and what I have acquired is some more fenders back here. As you can see, I got some fresh front fenders. Yeah, change out the fenders. To do that, I got to take the hood off, the inner fender off, the outer fender. We'll swap those out. Still waiting on my patch panels back here. LMC is going to send me some for that. I put some fresh paint on this. I do have some water leaking in these cab corners. I'm going to have to figure out what that is all about. We also have some spider gears, and we'll get into that. We might tear into that front axle because it's got no drive. If you watched the last video, we were basically in two-wheel drive on the ice road trucking it, and so we got some spider gears for that. I'll tear into it and show you what we got going on. I've already taken the diff cover off, and basically, for whatever reason, the side gears are there. The spider gears that connect the side gears completely missing. So I don't know if that was a trail fix but we'll throw those in. We got some locking hubs to replace those auto locking hubs, some mile markers, and we'll see if we can get through all that today. I'm not sure. I haven't taken one of these hoods off before by myself, but we're going to start with these two on each side and then let the whole thing fold down. I think that'll be easier than trying to fiddle with that spring hinge. So one thing I'm going to do for my own sanity is I'm just going to mark all this. So maybe I'll get it back in the same spot. Or get it close. Right. These two bolts right there loose, and I think I can get this off by myself. Okay. Ooh. Really hard to do. Okay, I got it. I bet there's a better way to do that. I bet there is at least 3 better ways to do that. What am I gonna... Okay, we got the hood off already. So much more room. Oh, by the way, those hoods are heavy. Those hoods are heavy. Heavy Chevy, I get it. this fender's ready to come off. This is the easy side. That side has the battery and the coolant overflow, which isn't that hard, but it is what it is. I need to open this door to get to that bolt. Let's see what we can do here. Now you can see, that's why we took that one off. It's been cut pretty bad. Take a look at what we're working with now. If you need to work on the steering, now would be a great time. Take a good look at this valve cover. I know the other side looks like it's leaking. All right, we got this fender off, and the inner fender, we're gonna do the same on the other side. All right. Okay. Little WD-40. There ain't nothing that smells better. I know that much. Okay. I just wanted to show you what I've been struggling with for the past, I don't know, 20 minutes. Finally just cut the head off of it, spun it off, but basically this captured nut that you see here, well, I gave it too much and it just ripped the spot welds off. So they were just spinning. I couldn't get my panel off. But now that that's off, I think this one comes off, and then we're free. Okay? See? Okay. Okay, it's getting late, but I wanted to show you what I got finished. I didn't get the inner fenders in, but we got the outer fenders on. Take a look at these. Looks pretty good. I'd say that's an improvement over that. Co-pilot side. Alright, we're back working on the K5 this morning. Today we're going to get the inner fenders back on, the hood on, maybe see if we can get this front axle work done. Well, we got these inner fenders out. We'll take the wheels off, maybe go ahead and swap these hubs out. Yeah, maybe fix this axle, do this axle work, and then put it back together. So we got that. Brakes look fair. I'm just gonna set those right there. Okay. Okay, I think you just catch those in your chest like that. That's how that works. Alright, we finally got the automatic locking hub assembly off. We'll put these guys in. That'll work great. Sweet. But first, we're going to fix this axle. So, we got to pull the spindle off of this side. So I can just pull the axle shaft a little bit out and get those side gears out. Okay. There we go. I think that's all I need. Pull it out that much. Should be able to just slide these in. That might work right there. That kind of up through there. Okay. And then that goes right there. We can tighten that up. Put my axles back in. Put my hubs on. I think we're getting there. Okay. This should be fairly simple, hopefully. But let's see if we can install these hubs. Okay. In there. Okay. And then I put this large lock ring. How in the world do I get that in there? Okay. Perfect. Haha! Large lock ring in place. So I think I put this snap ring right here. There we go. That's in there. And then we okay. Well, these are real easy to install. Lock. Free. Sweet. Yeah, those are easy. I was gonna get the worn, but then all my buddies said to get these instead, so that's what I did. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Should I went with the worn manual locking hubs? But these mile markers, they look fine. They look pretty good, actually. Okay, so what took forever to get those factory auto hubs out, but we got our mile markers in. They seem to be functioning right. We're gonna take those automatic hubs and throw them right in the garbage. But yeah, blocked, free. They're pretty easy to do. I like them a lot. Need to clean up these rotors, install the calipers, and then put these inner fenders back in. Well, we got the fenders on. We got the front diff is filled with gear oil, so we should have 4-wheel drive now. The next time you guys see this thing, it's going to be a completely different vehicle. So stick around for that. Make sure you subscribe to Winch Outdoors so you can see what we turn this thing into, or what, you know, eventually we'll turn it into. But got one other thing. Should I stick with the 37s or drop down to 35-inch tires? What do you think?